Hello guys, hope you guys doing well. Today we making some fried Bora with chicken. I have some a small medium-sized chicken breast here. I cut it up small. We gonna season it now, and then you gonna put it inside the kahari, and then we start to fry it, and then we gonna add the Bora after. So let's start with the seasonings. I have here cayenne pepper. You put a little cayenne pepper, not too much. You put a little jarred seasoning, not too much. You put a little Cajun seasoning. You put a little black pepper. Some garlic powder. Adobo. And some pink Himalayan salt. And sesame oil. Let's mix this up. So we got some grind seasoning in here. Let me get it. So this is garlic, onion, pepper, fresh thyme, ginger. That's for the grind seasoning. Okay, so we have the stove on medium high, so we can put the chicken inside the oil now. Right, so we can turn this up a little. Let this fry, then we got the Bora after. Also, I like to put a pack of sazon. And this is chicken I use here is Pardue chicken. So we let this fry it up, and then we add the Bora in. Once it's water, by the time the water burn out, the chicken will be frying, and then we got the Bora into it. And this Bora we got from Liberty Avenue, J&B West Indian store. Fresh Bora from Guyana. Alright, now I'm putting in some onion. I didn't put it earlier because it will get mashed, burn out real fast. You will get a taste. So now I put the onion in. I will put some tomato. And I have a Scotch bonnet pepper here. I put one of it. Because we eat a lot of pepper. Now, so I'm going to add the Bora inside now. Give it a stir. We got a little more Himalayan salt, and then we got taste later, and then we got check it back, see if it needs some more. I also add one more pack of sazon. can put more tomato, but we like how it tastes with the sazon, so we don't use a lot of tomato. Alright, so we're going to give it about 20-25 minutes, and then we're going to be finished, then we're going to show you the finished product. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, the Bora with fried chicken, and we're going to do a taste test, see if you have enough salt, if you need any additional salt or so. No, it's good. It's good, very good. Everything is good. No salt, no pepper, nothing more. So this is the finished product. If you guys like it, you can give it a try, see if you like it. So this is the end of today's video, and also we have dhal here already. We have some dhal and we have rice. With the rice in the fridge, we make yesterday, we had a lot of rice. So if you guys like this way I do it, you can try it, see if you like it. So this is the end of today's video. Until the next one, have a great afternoon. Like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Bye.